Now, these lectures aren't designed to have opposition. They're designed, I think, to talk about the important issues affecting Nebraska every day, and today is clearly one of those days.
Hosted by the UNK College of Arts and Sciences, the Warner Lecture Series was launched in 2017 to address important issues in Nebraska. University of Nebraska President Ted Carter was the featured speaker Tuesday, discussing higher education in the 21st century.
The universities that have this type of free thinking, ones that will listen to faculty, senate, staff, understand the student as a customer, ones that can innovate, ones that hold themselves accountable, the ones that can make sure that they are being accessible and make our students get to that achievement. They're the ones that are going to be successful 20%. That will be our Sputnik 2.0. That's what's going to change us. I'm excited about our future here at the University of Nebraska. I can tell you that our campus leaders, our researchers, our faculty, I've heard these ideas. They do think this, and they get that we have a need to fill the workforce of the state of Nebraska. And we have a need to not only grow our enrollment, we're going to grow our state. The university system is going to be the way.
Carter also responded to student-submitted questions for the event and addressed some of the important career areas that higher education should be playing a prominent role in for the future.
But the STEM-based fields they're going to take over. We're going to find a workforce in the future that's going to be able to work more remotely. The supply chain management field is going to change. I think higher ed is going to have to respond to that and know how to manage that. Medicine is changing also. Doctors, nurses, pharmacists, occupational specialists. We really don't have a whole lot that is being taught at undergraduate campuses anywhere in the nation on what the future of cyber operations. Notice I didn't say cyber defense or cyber security. A lot of people think when we're talking about the internet, that's the only thing that we have to do. Cyber operations is so much more complex. And it does. It touches everything: data management, data science, artificial intelligence, remote things that operate. We're going to see much, much more of that. Robotics, things that fly and operate remotely. We've got to have the academic programs that set us up to be ready for that workforce. So we are going to evolve. And the universities that are dynamic and can pivot and create academic curricula not only will draw those students, they're the ones that will make them ready for that future work.